Every day, someone posts another AI success story. Built this in a weekend, hit $10,000 MRR in 2 months, sold my AI startup for 7 figures. And if you're anything like most people watching this, you start asking yourself one question. Am I already too late? Maybe you've watched dozens of tutorials, you've opened Cursor, you've experimented with Claude, you've even bought a domain name, but somehow nothing gets built. Here's what I've learned after watching hundreds of AI founders over the last year. The people winning today aren't smarter than everyone else. They aren't using secret AI models, and they definitely didn't wait until they felt ready. They simply started before everyone else stopped overthinking. So in this video, I want to show you what actually matters if you're building an AI SaaS in 2026. Not the hype, not the endless tool comparisons. Just the handful of things that separate builders from spectators. Because I don't think you're behind. I think you're standing at the starting line wondering whether the race has already ended. It hasn't. Here's the biggest misconception in AI right now. People think the advantage belongs to whoever learns AI the fastest. It doesn't. Today, almost everyone has access to the same foundation models. Claude, GPT, Gemini, open source models. Nobody has a magical version that's twice as smart as yours. So if everyone has access to the same intelligence, why are some people building profitable products while others are still watching tutorials? After paying attention to dozens of successful launches, I kept seeing the same pattern. Not once, not twice, almost every time. The founders who shipped first did 3 things differently. First, they solved one painfully specific problem, not AI for productivity, not the future of work, just one annoying task that somebody wanted gone. Second, they shipped an embarrassingly simple first version. No polished animations, no perfect branding, no feature roadmap, just something useful enough for one person to pay for. Third, they didn't build feature number 2 until customer number 1 existed. That's the part people skip. Most builders spend months preparing for customers they don't have. The best founders prepare because they already have one. That's not an AI advantage. That's a behavior advantage, and behavior is something you can change today. The stack you actually need. Let's make this simpler than the internet wants it to be. Forget the endless comparison videos. Forget the top 47 AI tools. You only need 4 pieces. 1. Build. Pick Claude Code or Cursor. That's it. Claude Code is excellent if you want an AI that understands larger projects and handles multi-step development. Cursor feels more like a traditional coding environment with AI built directly into it. They're both great. Your choice isn't what determines success. Using one consistently does. 2. Backend. Use Supabase or Neon. You get authentication, you get a database, you get infrastructure that thousands of companies already trust. Don't spend weeks rebuilding login systems. Nobody buys software because the authentication was handcrafted. 3. Payments. Use Stripe. And if your product relies on AI APIs, think carefully about pricing before launch. Many founders make one expensive mistake. They charge everyone the same monthly price, but one customer generates 10 times the AI cost of another. Eventually, your biggest users become your biggest financial problem. Build pricing around usage or credits from the beginning. Future, you will be grateful. 4. Validation. This is where almost everyone gets it backwards. People go to Twitter looking for ideas. Don't. Twitter is where people announce success. Reddit is where people complain. Indie hackers is where founders explain what's broken. That's where opportunities live. Every complaint is a possible product. Every repeated frustration is market research. Listen long enough and your next SaaS idea will probably introduce itself. The skills AI can't replace. Everyone keeps saying, learn AI. I think that's incomplete advice. The skills that matter most aren't technical anymore. They're judgment. Skill 1, find real problems. Don't brainstorm alone. Talk to people. Read forums. Join communities. Look for complaints that appear again and again. Patterns create businesses. Ideas rarely do. Skill 2, ship before you're comfortable. AI coding tools only create leverage if you actually build. You can spend 3 weeks organizing Notion pages, or you can spend 3 days shipping an MVP. Only one of those teaches you anything useful. Speed isn't about rushing. It's about learning faster than everyone else. Skill 3, build a business, not just a demo. It's easy to impress someone with AI. It's much harder to build something that keeps making money. A flashy feature isn't a company. A profitable pricing model is. 1,000 free users can bankrupt you. 100 profitable customers can change your life. Never confuse a cool demo with a sustainable business. So, are you behind? I don't think so. Being behind means the opportunity is gone. That's not where we are. What we're actually seeing is something much simpler. Most people are still waiting to learn one more framework, waiting to watch one more tutorial, waiting until they feel qualified. Meanwhile, someone else ships version 1. It's ugly, it's incomplete, but it's real. And next week, they improve it. Then they improve it again. That's how companies get built, not all at once, one decision at a time. A year from now, nobody is going to care whether you knew the perfect prompt. They're going to care about one thing. What did you build? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.